In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a voice with artificial intelligence using the ELEVENLABS platform. To do this, the first thing we have to do is enter the platform. You can use any browser. I am going to use Google Chrome. Once you are inside the browser, you must type ELEVENLABS in the search engine. Once you have written that, you enter the first section that appears. We wait a little, and as you can see, we have just entered the official ELEVENLABS page. At first, it may ask you to create an account, but once you enter with your created account, you will see what you are seeing right now. So, to create a voice with artificial intelligence, we have to go to the speech section, and then we have to tap on the part to add a voice, and then we have to tap on this button where it says Add Cloned or Generative Voice. Once we have pressed on that option, we have 4 other options to choose. We can design an entirely new voice, only by adjusting some parameters. Each voice that we create will be randomly generated and is entirely unique. Even if the same settings are applied, we can also clone a voice. But for this, we must have the premium version. Then we can add some voice from the ELEVENLABS library that are free, and the entire community can use them. And then we have a more professional voice cloning option. In our case, we want to design a voice, so we are going to click on the first option. Once we have entered this option, we are going to see these settings: the gender of the voice, the age, and the accent, for example. In my case, I am going to choose masculine. I want it to be a middle-aged person. And then we can choose between an American, British, African, Australian, and Indian accent. Then we have to write a text so that our artificial intelligence voice can read them. So we are going to ask ChatGPT to create a 100-word text for us. We ask for it and wait until it generates it. Once the text has been created, we copy it and return to ELEVENLABS. Then we paste the text, and finally, we can set the accent, whether we want it very high or very low. In my case, I am going to leave it as it is. So now we are going to generate it. We wait a few seconds, and as you can see, it gives us an option to download it. So we download it, and we can open it on our computer. And if we play it, you will be able to see that it is reading the text that we asked to ChatGPT.
Change, often perceived with apprehension, is the pulsating heart of life's infinite dance.
You can also use voices from the ELEVENLABS community. To do this, you must click on Add Voice, go to the same option as before, and select the third option from the voice library. And here you can investigate a lot of voices that exist for different purposes. For example, let's say I want to add this voice. We have to click on Add New Voice. Here we can change the name. I will leave it as is and add voice. After having added the voice, we finish and return to the speech section. And here you will be able to change the voice that was currently there for the new one that has just been added. So we click on this button and touch the Use button to use the voice that we just added. And now we can write a text and generate it, as well as adjust certain parameters such as stability, clarity, and similarity. I hope this tutorial has been useful to you. Remember that you can subscribe and leave a big like for more videos of this style. Don't forget to leave your questions in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.